glued down because again, I'm gonna do that on like my reset day. Good morning. I am currently vlogging on my phone because my camera died overnight. I had no idea I wasn't charging it. But this morning I need to run, what, Grimmy? I need to run and get the things for Christmas Eve dinner. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I get that done. And I'm literally witnessing the boys play. They are running around the living room. It is so cute. They have made such a huge jump in progress like the last like 24 hours. Day 2 of the boys being together is going pretty good. But yeah, we're gonna go get a coffee, and then I also kind of want to pop into like, I don't really like Home Goods or TJ Maxx to be honest, but I do have like pre-made and sometimes decently priced cat trees. So I kind of want to see if I can find like a good new scratching post or something, and that would be the boys' Christmas present from me. Okay, groceries are purchased and I got the boys a little scratch post. It's literally a red heart. I think it's so cute. And it was only $30, and normally I feel like those things are so expensive, but it was only 30 bucks. So exciting stuff. I'm going to finish my coffee on my drive home, and then once I get home, I need to edit today's Vlogmas. Well, it's edited. I just need to upload it and make sure everything's all good there. Hey babes, it's 2:17. I have basically just been like editing and relaxing so far after I ran my morning errands and got the boys their early Christmas present. So I honestly am debating on what kind of workout I want to do today. I didn't go to the gym yesterday, and it would probably be a good day to go on a run. It's 40 something, like upper 50s, so I feel like I should go do that. I need a little bit more food, so I'm gonna eat. I got Dave's Killer Bagels. Let me actually go grab those. I got some Dave's Killer Bagels. These are not necessarily like a calorie friendly bagel, but they're like, I mean, they're filling and they have a lot of protein in them. So they have for a bagel, 11 grams of protein is like pretty solid. And then I just got the raspberry, what am I talking about? Raisin ones. I never really get mad about like a bagel being X amount of calories because it's literally a bagel. I want it to be filling, you know? So let's make this bagel.
Me like that. Well, I'm only gonna let someone.
Some brekkie for din. How's that make you feel, babe?
Good.
Get her sauce on.
I'm doing a lot.
Yep, he's doing the typical boyfriend stand in kitchen and just watch and tell me it looks good.
Yeah.
So that's fine with me.
Graham.
Grammy, where were you? Where were you? Alright babes, it is 6:47 and I just finished my little breakfast for lunch. What? Breakfast for dinner, what am I talking about? It is hair wash day, so I'm going to my ginormous rat's nest brush out and I'm gonna get ready to take a shower. And after the shower, I'm gonna clean up. It's like about that time for my weekly kind of clean up around my beauty room. So I'm gonna make sure I clean up there. I think I need to start pulling all my pictures off my old vision board for my new vision board. I keep thinking like, I don't need to do that soon, but I definitely do. Ooh, my new planner also came in the mail. So I think within the next couple days, I need to film my 2026 like reset routine, because it always has to do with like my planner and things like that. So exciting stuff. Okay guys, I just cleaned up my vanity area a little bit, and then I needed to rewrap this gift because I tried to use my glue thing and it just made it so chunky, and I'm still not happy with it, but I had to like redo the side. This is one of the Dirty Santa gifts for Andrew's family, and it's that t-shirt I showed you guys. So we got that done, and then I basically had pulled all of my pictures. So I got these pictures, and I totally forgot that I needed to find a picture frame today, and I was in Home Goods, and I was just getting kind of distracted, honestly, because there were so many cute things that I do want. Like I want like a trash can for my vanity area because I always end up leaving like piles of contacts on my vanity. If you guys wear contacts or glasses, like you know the struggle. And then I also wanted to get a different basket than the brand new one I just bought to like put all my products in, because even that one's not big enough, and I'm like, I need one that doesn't have like a weird bottom. Like you guys can kind of see how this one is, but it's like circular on the bottom, and I didn't really realize that when I bought it, and so none of my products are like sitting. That's frustrating, but I wanted to hold off because I didn't want to buy a bunch of stuff before Christmas just in case I get a basket, or like I have a bad habit of doing that because when I get like in this shopping mode for everybody else, I'm like, oh, you know, it makes me want to shop for myself. As bad as that sounds, which it's not bad, but I need to pull a picture out of my engagement photos for my dad because tomorrow I'm going to go to, I'm either gonna go to the thrift store or I'm gonna go back to Home Goods and get a picture frame that I know I can put one of these in for my dad, and then I'm gonna get him a candle. He just really likes good smelling candles. This one's a really cute picture of us on my engagement day, so we will see. Okay, I pulled out this picture of me, my dad, and Andrew, and then this one of just me and my dad. I feel like this is so cute, and I could totally make something cool with that. Actually, I'm probably not gonna go to Home Goods. If I'm gonna make it like a double deal, I'm just gonna go thrift a frame. There's a Savers in Liberty, even though I just came from there, that I really always like. They have a huge frame selection, and if you guys didn't know this, I'm like quite the thrifter, so I always have like a certain thrift store if I know I need like a good sweater. Like this one always has it and stuff like that, so definitely gonna make sure I do that. My friend Megan got me this notebook for my birthday because my birthday basket had a theme, and I put all of like the cool stickers I have on here, and I'm making this like my YouTube organizing thing. Like I've already laid out like the things I'm gonna talk about in my 2026 reset. I think instead of making it like in an advice video, because I did 2 of those last year and 1 of them already this year, I'm gonna like physically do the resetting and kind of just throwing clips in from me doing vision board and planner stuff. And I need to clean these drawers so bad. Like I will show you guys, unfortunately, but this is like my makeup side, and it's just a hot mess. Like it could be so much better. And then this is my desk side. This is like literally a ginormous junk drawer, so I have a lot of organizing there. And then this is also just a hot mess, and I can utilize that space so much better. So that will definitely be part of me resetting. And then I think there's also, what else did I say I was gonna do that? Oh, I wanted to make a no buy list. So I've been seeing a lot of people do that on TikTok, but they keep giving it stupid names like how to be frugal chic. Shut up. It's just stop buying a bunch of shit. So I did a little list like that, and I thought I'd kind of incorporate that into like a 4-part way. So like part 1 would be like the physical glow up, part 2 is mental, and physical includes like physically cleaning, not like, oh, I'm gonna go get my hair done, like whatever. 3 is my vision board, goals and affirmations, and 4 is like financial reset, which is like my no buy list and just making like goals and things like that for the new year. So that will be how I do that. So it'll be more so like a me reset, not advice reset, if that makes any sense. But I'm going to get my old vision board out from last year and start kind of conceptualizing how we're gonna put all this on my big picture frame. Here is the vision board from last year. Obviously love it on a good cork board. It looks so cute, but Bean won't stop scratching it, and we can't have that. So I'm gonna take all these pictures off and put all the tacks back in a little folder. I'm gonna keep all of them besides the one that has a 26 on it, and I'm gonna kind of just separate them from like what was a lifestyle goal and like fitness, food, all that good stuff, and I'm gonna mix it with the new ones so that I can see what we've got going on there. Okay, so here's like my big vision board on the frame, and it's not actually glued down because again I'm gonna do that on like my reset day, and I love it. I probably will change some of them around. I tried to keep it like themed in a way, like in the corners and stuff like that, but I love that. And then I took some of the scraps of things that I wasn't using. Not that like I really wanted to put these two things in there, but it just was looking almost too chaotic, and I do want it to look scrappy, but not, Graham, are you gonna come help? But not too scrappy to the point where I'm going to be stressed out. And then obviously I don't want to waste this cork board, so this is gonna go in the closet where I just have like an old frame hanging up with something in it. So I'm gonna put this in my closet so that I just have it, and plus I laminated my 2 bibs from my 2 races that I've ran so far. So I love that. I think that's nice. And then I just have like the consistency part because I already have the other discipline and consistency one. And Graham is helping me, it looks like. Okay, here's it in the closet. It's literally a hot mess down here. I have not gotten to that, but I think that actually looks really cute, and then I get to see that every day, and especially like when I want to get into like my workout clothes and stuff, like it's nice to have that little bit of motivation. Okay, I just did a bunch of like searching for a frame because I have extra frames to put these pictures in, and the one that I got from Desenio, it's a little bit smaller than this. It's like here, and it's wooden just like the big one I have, and I can't find it, and this is like too big and obnoxious. I'm not gonna use that. So now I'm kind of mad because those frames are really good quality, and I feel like the light wood would be perfect for my dad's house, so I'm sad that I couldn't find that. It's like, what did I do, accidentally throw it away? I don't know. I did find more tape, and I got these presents wrapped. I think I told you guys that already, actually. Got those presents wrapped, and then I also wrapped one of Andrew's presents. I'm getting really restless because I ordered something literally 2 weeks ago, and it's like, hi. It's literally like the remainder of his presents, so I'm like, hello. And all it keeps telling me is it's in like the facility, it's arriving late, and it does say that, but it said that for the 20th, and I guess today is like the first business day, but I think the UPS still works and like is working on the 21st because there was an update on the 21st. So I don't know what the deal is there. Hi Grimmy, somebody wants on my lap. Hi. What are you doing? Hi. So we will see, but I wanted to show you guys my new planner. I'm so excited. So she's leopard. Did I show you guys this already? I don't know, I'm losing my train of thought. Like, I'm all over the place. I can tell I'm getting kind of tired, and it's only 9:46. But I went back to my blue sky planner. I always go from a blue sky to the day designer ones. You can get both of these at Target, but I got this one on Amazon. The bad thing about this is the cover is plastic and it gets scratched really easily. But I'm not gonna lie to you, like, this design was really cute last year, but I remember struggling really hard to like pick a design, and that's never fun. And I had this in my cart for a couple weeks, and I was like, something about the leopard. I've been really into it lately. The other thing with the blue sky one is I really like how calendars are set up. So it has like pretty much the same category, but it has at the beginning of each month, it's got like your little week by week. It has your day by day on there, and it also has like top goals. And the way that this one was set up, it didn't have that. Like, you had like a to-do list, and that was pretty much it. And like, I like making my to-do list like directly on the day. I don't need it to be all like super organized. But I like having like a top goals list, so I'm here for it. I also like how the paper is kind of like an off-white. I think that's really pretty. And I also love the stickers that come with this one. So I love when a planner comes with some good stickers. I will just like literally transfer them over, like rip them out and keep them. But I really like this one, and I think it's gonna come in handy.